Hello, everybody. It is I, Professor Cappy, and in this video, I'm gonna show you uh, how to make, how to use input in HTML and how to turn that input into a JavaScript variable. Woohoo! Yay! Yay! Anyways, so what you want to do first is obviously you want to put in the input tag or whatever it's attribute. I don't know. You need to do the input thing, and then inside of the input, first you want to do type. So there's a bunch of types. I don't know them yet. I just can't know. There's a bunch of types. I don't want to say them, but here are the current. But here are all of the types. They should be on the screen. Are they on the screen? Hopefully, I put them on the screen. But for this video, I'm just going to use the text type. Next, you want to add in an ID. How do I keep on doing that? And then on the ID, you can put whatever. I'm gonna put input. Never mind. Let's do something new. How about value? What else should I do? Oh yeah, this isn't needed, but if you want, you can add a placeholder. I like adding a placeholder. So what you put in the placeholder is anything. But basically, before you type anything in, it's like that. Like before you type anything in like Word, it says type text here or something. Like that. There's like dot dot dot. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And then next, this is needed. The placeholder part. This is optional, by the way. You don't need to add the placeholder part. But what you do need is the rest. So next, you want to do on click. No, not on click. You need to do a wait. What? Where'd it go? Wait. Sorry, I messed up my code. You need to do an on input. Did I spell that right? Yep. On input, you wanted to do a JavaScript function. So let me just do that JavaScript function first. So whenever you want to add script inside of a JavaScript inside of an HTML file, you need to enclose it. What the hell? You need to enclose it in between script. So let me do. So what you want to do next? You want to define a function. Call it. So you said define a function. You can call it anything. I'll call it function thinking function. What the? I'm sorry. What the sigma should I call this function? Why take so long? I'll just call it function. I don't care. So you need to just do some basic JavaScript procedures in functioning. I know some people do it like this. I mean, like this, but I don't like doing that, so I do this. You can choose which one you want. So here, put in the function variable. Ooh, look at that. Let's make it weird. How about munchin? That sounds fun. Munchin. Yeah, I like that name. Of course, this is a very bad name for a function because it doesn't tell you anything about the function, but whatever. Let's have some fun. So inside of the function, you want to do let or var. I don't know, or even const. I don't know. I'm using let. Let. You can call it anything. It's called input value. Let input value equals to. Okay, so this is the real part where you put a JavaScript where you make the input from here into this variable. So document dot get element by ID. So this is why you needed to put an ID in the input. So the ID is value. So I put that in value. At the end, just put dot value. So yeah, remember semicolon at the end. So yep. So what this code will do is basically it's setting whatever you put in the input here as this. So let's say, so you can also put it like ID. Maybe the ID is name, and then the placeholder text is enter your name here or something. Like let's try something like that. Enter your name here. Dot dot dot. And then the is input value is actually called the name variable. You can use it like this. Oh shoot. Called the name variable. You get it. So, but like right now, let's try running this. Open with live server. My website. Like, like we know it's setting the variable, but like there's no way for us to like visually know. Like, of course, like if you tried inspecting this, the name variable in JavaScript would obviously be equal to capi. But like to anyone else that hasn't seen the code, how will they know? So let's try making it a little more advanced. uh, let's do an h1 id equals to let's name it something scrumptious. I will turn into your name. I forgot we needed to add the ID. Just call it anything changed. Yeah, why not? And then next thing you want to do, let me get rid of that. Next thing you want to do, or like, you don't need to do this by the way. I'm just trying to make a way for you to see what the value of name equals to. So next thing you want to do is document, not documenty, document dot get element, shoot, by ID. And then inside, this time you don't want to put the name anymore. Now you put the changed ID. Control C, Control V. And at the end you want to do a dot, no, text content. So basically what we're doing here is equals to. So what we're doing here is basically we're finding which like header or paragraph that has the ID of changed. We're changing the text content of that header or paragraph, this time header 1, to what we put over here. So we're trying to display the value of name. So what we put over here is the name variable. So let's test it out, Open with live server. My website. I will turn into your name. Oh yeah, really? Oh shoot, he actually did it. So let's try putting in my name. Professor Cappy. See, it pops up. That's my name. Holy gat. Oh shoot, what happened? Anyways, thank you.